Hi, this is the demo video for CSE 3541 Lab 6, and I'm using WebGL to create a simple 3D scene with, and then try to implement like hierarchical transformation, texturing, and illumination, and so on. Yeah. And here, so let's get started. So first, I'm using VS Code to do all the developments. So since your default browser will not allow to load like external JSON uh, models, so therefore you need to use the extension here. I'm using the extension from VS Code. Uh, so it should be live server. Yeah, this one, live server. You need to install this, and then here, if I stop it, here's a sign like go live, and I click go live. Yeah, it will pop up. And so let's talk about features. This is like a very simple 3D scene, and I have implemented like three basic structures or models. Like this is a cylinder, and this is also a cylinder with like a different radius on top and bottom, and a sphere and a square, and the floor is also like a square. And I also use the famous teapot model to like try to load the external model here. And I implemented a hierarchical transformation. You see all this line to move like together, and I have implemented like illuminations using font shading illumination, and you can change the light source. As you see, when the light source changes, the specular is very easy to see it's changing. Besides, I have implemented like a camera rotation here. You can rotate up and down, left, right, and also roll. Mhm. Another thing is the T-port. The T-port is a self-animated T-port. I have implemented a self-animated. The web the JavaScript will like constantly call the transformation method, and it's also covered with texture. I try to like load the texture and get it onto the keyboard. And I think this is basically what I have done using WebGL, and that's a lot of stuff. I will include some source code in the report, and hopefully you enjoy this little 3D thing.